Now we can start exporting the scene to Unreal Engine. First, create a folder on your disk in a convenient location. Through this folder, files will be exchanged between 3ds Max and Unreal Engine. Open the 3ds Max scene. Toggle Layer Explorer. Make sure the default and 3D Scan's temporary layers are hidden. Click the Datasmith tab in the ribbon panel. File Export. Export the entire scene excluding hidden objects. Export selected exports only selected objects in the scene. Click Export and find the created folder on the disk. Wait for the export process to finish. Launch Unreal Engine. On the home screen there is a tab with recent projects, as well as a set of templates for various tasks. Select the Architecture section. Then Blank. This is a template with a minimal set of features and starter content. Give the name of the project and the path on the disk, where working files will be located. Click Create. The project has been created. Remove everything from the scene, except the exponential high fog and the sun sky. Now let's import the scene using Datasmith. On the panel in upper left part, click on the icon for quickly adding objects. Next, Datasmith, File, Import. Find the folder with the exported scene from 3ds Max. Open the folder. Select the uDatasmith file. Open. In the window that appears, select the folder where the imported files will be saved. Let's create a separate folder for them. Right-click on the content. New folder. Set a name. Spaces and some characters cannot be used in the name. Import to the created folder. Now you need to select the categories of objects that will be imported from the scene. In this case, I'm only interested in geometry. I will create materials, lights and cameras in Unreal Engine. Leave other parameters by default. Done, the scene is imported.